They say they're not human and call them aliens. They say that the laws of physics don't apply to them. They use their own language to navigate each part of the circuit, a language that only...
Terora. Siapakah menjagokan Agustiawan? Oke, saya sudah sangat senang sekali Agus bisa melihat tawa kamu kembali. Oke. Juga ada Jabar Monir Erbantona dan juga Januar Deden dari Palu, Sulawesi Tengah, saudara-saudara semuanya. Pembalap-pembalap terbaik Indonesia dari seluruh pulau yang ada di Indonesia, ada di Kota Subang. Kita akan lihat siapakah yang akan berhasil menjadi yang terbaik.
Yesterday in qualifying too. I think that's significant, and it may be why Quartararo was amateurs. It's within their margins for the way Quartararo rides and the temperature this track is at. Neil,
but the British Grand Prix, there's nothing better. It's an honour for me to be on that grid. I genuinely mean that.
He will eclipse surely Mike Hailwood here, but he's still got a long way to go before he catches his main nemesis. The MV was so much better than anything else in the field. Now the whole field is almost as good as what Marcus.
The golden era as well. It's now. You've said that before, Keith, in commentary. Just going back to Quartararo, he had a massive slide and ran off the track, nearly crashed. So it's a gamble. Keith, Quartararo's got the hero.
And that's what we're going to see, and we know this man is going to be a hero because he's going to do his absolute ultimate bet. 50th Moto Grand Prix, he starts 9th place on the grid. Back on the 3rd row, it's going to take a special corner is critical because once we're into Maggotts and Beckett's, it's got one line all the way through, they're onto the hangar straight.
And for the years,
the only good thing about it is there is plenty of runoff, and you have time for recovery. But in this quality of 2014 winner here, there's never been a French Premier Class winner at the British Grand Prix. So from the 2nd row, with that medium front tyre, he's looking to try and outbox all of them on the front row. It is Marquez, clear away.
Marquez going to fly a key.
Box. All of them on the front row. It is Marquez. Clear away.
Marquez going to fly a key.
So did Rossi. Not bad for Rossi. He's normally a little bit slack, but he went out from under him. Quartararo, and that's Dovizioso. The man in the championship has been taken out. Front tyre. Well, we wouldn't have expected that, that's for sure. Quartararo recovers. Dovizioso doesn't. We've seen disaster for Quartararo. And of course Andrea Dovizioso, the man who's 58 points behind Count. I wouldn't be surprised. We've got Stuart Higgs in part of the committee here as well. Stuart Higgs, of course, BSB race direct. Someone lying on the track.
Well,
that's not that we